Hey actors, welcome back to the Evgeny's Acting Studio. Today we're doing the secret acting technique number 3, which is called the energy line. It's one of the simplest tools that makes you instantly feel more confident, alive, present and grounded, both on camera and on stage. It's not a military posture, it's a feeling of length, alignment and vertical connection from the crown of your head all the way down to your feet. Now, let's begin the exercise.
Stand up. Place your feet firmly on the ground, anchored just like we did in the technique number 2 before. Feet are parallel and about hip width apart. Now gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Just feel your body. Now imagine something. An invisible thread is tied to the crown of your head, and it softly pulls you upward toward the sky. Feel your spine lengthening. Feel the space between your vertebrae expanding. Your shoulders relax and drop. Your neck releases and becomes longer. Take 2-3 slow breaths here. Now we create the energy line. Visualize a bright line of energy passing through your body. It starts at the crown of your head, travels down through the center of your spine, passes through your pelvis, continues down your legs, and extends to the center of your feet, anchoring you into the ground. On the inhale, feel the line lighting up and lengthening, both upward and downward, connecting sky and earth through your body. On the exhale, keep that sense of length and allow any unnecessary tension to dissolve. Now stay with this for 3-5 minutes. Notice how your body becomes lighter and at the same time more solid. Now we test the technique in real-life actor positions. First, standing. Keep the energy line active while you gently shift side to side, forward and back. Observe how the line helps you maintain balance and posture. Now start walking slowly through the space. Keep awareness of the line. Feel how each step is both light and rooted. Avoid collapsing, slouching, or turning off. Stay long, stay connected. Now sit on a chair with your back straight, but do not lean on the backrest. Visualize the energy line from the crown down to the coccyx, then extending into the ground. Notice how your posture becomes more active and more present. Now try bigger movements while keeping the integrity of the energy line. Raise your arms, rotate your torso, open your chest. The idea is movement comes from an aligned base, not from collapse or tension. Now, the actor's secret weapon, voice plus alignment. While keeping the energy line, say your name out loud.
Evgeny,
Then say a simple phrase.
my life is simple.
Observe how alignment supports your projection and resonance. Now imagine your voice traveling along the energy line and projecting forward. Not forced, not shouted, just clear, supported, directed.
My life is simple. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This was our secret acting technique number 3, the energy line. If you do it daily, you will be surprised how dramatically and beautifully your presence changes. I promise you. If you like this lesson, if you want to know more about these secret acting techniques and also other practical acting tools and instruments that we use in our everyday acting life, please consider subscribing to this channel and also join my Evgeny's Acting Studio on the school platform, where we have absolutely wonderful community with the students from all over the world, where we share our mutual acting journey and gain wisdom being in the same network, building this real life connections with like-minded people. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you both on this channel and in my acting studio. See you next time. Bye.